Sean here, also known as the Diamond. Let's try that again. Hey everyone, Sean, also known as the Diamond. Messed that up and show up. Seriously? Let's try it one more time. Everyone, Sean, also known as the Diamond. Welcome back to another review inside Diamond King's Castle. And today, what YouTubers deserve to have the diamond play button, and YouTubers that do, YouTubers I know have diamond play buttons. So, by the way, let's get to it. Number one is, so first we're doing the two YouTubers I know that have the diamond play button. The Diamond Minecart is number one. Please subscribe to him. And number two is PewDiePie. So these are YouTubers that deserve the diamond play button. You know what happens when you get the diamond play button? You get strength to break a board. Well, how I did this, so forget it. But these are the YouTubers that deserve to have the diamond play button. It's EvanTube HD. It's EvanTube HD. And also, Most Amazing Top 10. So, and I also the YouTube channel Minecraft Jams deserve to have the diamond play button. Because guess what? Play song. It's named The Diamond King. So I just really like that song that came from Minecraft Jams. So I know they deserve it. And in the song, he just won't die, he just won't die. Yeah, those are YouTubers that deserve diamond play button. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Goodbye.